Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one site using which you can prepare any recipe with whatever items that is left in your home. So what you need to do is you need to come to the site called supercook.com and just mention the food items that is available there. Let's say you have eggs. You can just put egg and you can put bread, rusk. So let me put some items that is there available in my house. Potato, tomato, apple. Yeah, I think that should be good enough. So now I have mentioned few things which is available in my house, and based on that it shows me I can make 240 recipes out of it. So these are the various items that is available. So as you can see, based on whatever items that I have, I can also add these ingredients from this list which is already there, where I can just choose. So based on the items that I have added, I see a lot of items that is available. So what I'm gonna do, there are a lot of items available here, so I'm gonna restrict it with few items. It says I'm gonna remove some of the items that I already selected. I'm gonna remove lemon and I'm gonna keep it to bare minimum. I think I have added turmeric some time back. That's why you see this. Some of the items already selected, 0 to 35. Then you see some other items here: cheese, oils and fats, fruits, baking. In here I see some items selected: dairy, egg. Let me select milk also, and butter. And let me select bread again. Potato. Now it will show me all the items that I can prepare based on the items that I have in my kitchen. So simply smashed potato recipe. So if I click on it, it will take you to the site where I have this information. If I look at perfect smash potato, it takes me to the website with detailed information. All are different websites. Now if I go down, I see rustic smashed potato. This again is from another site. So this website is easy to use. You just have to put in the ingredients that you have in your kitchen or in your refrigerator and just hit search, and it will show you the recipe in different websites aggregated here, and based on that you can make a delicious dish. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.